Hello, good morning to all. We are going to discuss the topic NDPS Act. This is the revision video of this topic. We have previously uploaded the video. The Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985. This is the syllabus. This is the topic from the syllabus of Diploma Second Year. Subject Pharmaceutical Jurisprudence. The Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substance Act 1985. It is published on 16 September 1985, an act to consolidate and amendment the law relating to narcotic drugs to make strict provision for the control and regulation of operations relating to narcotic drug and psychotropic substances, to provide for the forfeiture of property derived from or used in illicit traffic in narcotic drug and psychotropic substances, to implement the provision of the International Convention on Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substances and for matters connected therewith, be it enacted by Parliament in the 36th year of the Republic of India as follows. Chapter 1 Preliminary Short Title Extent and Commencement. This Act may be called the Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985. It extends to the whole of India, to all citizens of India outside India, to all persons on ship and aircraft registered in India, wherever they may be. It shall come into force on such date 3 as the central government may by notification in the official gazette appoint, and different dates may be appointed for different provisions of this act and for different states, and any reference in any such provision to the commencement of this act shall be construed in relation to any state as a reference to the coming into force of that provision in that state. Definition. In this act, unless the context otherwise require, here are some definitions which want to discuss before the description or the before the detailing of this act. The first one is addict. What is the meaning of an addict? Addict means a person who has dependence on any narcotic drug or psychotropic substances. The second one is what is board. Board means the Central Board of Excise and Custom, constituted under the Central Board of Revenue Act 1963, 54 of 1963. What is the definition of cannabis? Cannabis means charas that is separated, resin in whatever form, whatever crude or purified, obtained from the cannabis plant, and also include concentrated preparation and resin known as hashish oil or liquid hashish. Charas that is separated resin. Ganja, what is the definition of ganja? That is the following or fruiting tops of the cannabis plant, excluding the seed and leaves when not accompanied by the tops, by whatever names they may be known or designated, and any mixture with or without any natural material of any of the above forms of cannabis or any drink prepared therefrom. Cannabis plant means any plant or genus cannabis. Central government factories means factories owned by the central government or factories owned by any company in which the central government holds at least 51% of the paid up share capital. Coca derivative means crude cocaine, that is any extract of coca leaves which can be used directly or indirectly for the manufacture of cocaine, ecogene, ecogenine, and all the derivatives of ecogenine from which it can be recovered. Cocaine, that is methyl ester of benzoyl, ecogenine and its salt, and all preparation containing more than 0.1% of cocaine. Coca leaf means the leaf of the coca plant except a leaf from which all ecogene and cocaine and any other ecogene alkaloid have been removed, any mixture thereof with or without any natural material, but does not include any preparation containing not more than 0.1% of cocaine. Coca plant means the plant of any species of the genus Fritholoxine. Commercial quantity in relation to narcotic drug and psychotropic substance means any quantity greater than the quantity specified by the central government by notification in the official gazette. What is the meaning of the controlled delivery? Means the technique which is following illicit or suspect consignment of narcotic drugs, psychotropic substances, controlled substances or substances substituted from the pass out of or throw into the territory of India with the knowledge and under the supervision of an officer empowered in this behalf or duly authorized under section 50A with a view to identifying the person involved in the commission of an offence under this act. Corresponding law means any law corresponding to the provision of this act. Controlled substance means any substance which the central government may having regard to the available information as to its possible use in the production or manufacture of narcotic drug or psychotropic substances or to the provision of any international convention by notification in the official gazette declared to be a controlled substance. Convenience means any a convenience of any description whatsoever and include any aircraft, vehicle or vessel. Essential narcotic drug means a narcotic drug notified by the central government for medical and scientific use. Third, illicit traffic in relation to narcotic drug and psychotropic substance means cultivating any coca plant or gathering any portion of coca plant cultivating the opium, poppy, or any cannabis plant, engaging in the production, manufacture, possession, sale, purchase, transportation, warehousing, concealment, or a consumption, import, interstate, export, interstate, import into the India, export from India, or transshipment of narcotic drug and psychotropic substances. Dealing any activity in narcotic drug and psychotropic substances other than those referred to in sub-clause, handling or letting out any premises for the carrying on of any of the activities referred into subclass 1 to 4, other than those permitted under this act or any rule or order make or any conditions of any license, termed or authorization issued hereunder and includes financing directly or indirectly any of the aforementioned activities habiting to conspire in the furtherance of or in support of doing any of the aforementioned activities and harboring person engaged in any aforementioned activities. International convention means the Single Convention on Narcotic Drug 1961 adopted by the United Nations Conference at New York in March 1961. The protocol amending the convention mentioned in sub-clause adopted by the United Nations Conference at Geneva in March 1972. The Convention of Psychotropic Substances 1971 adopted by the United Conference of at Vienna in February 1971. Any other international convention or protocol or other instrument amending and international convention relating to narcotic drug or psychotropic substances which may be ratified or acceded to by India after the commencement of this act. Manufacture in relation to narcotic drug or psychotropic substances include all processes other than production by which such drug or substances may be obtained, refining of such drugs or substances, transformation of such drug or substances, and making of preparation otherwise than in pharmacy or prescription, or with or containing such drugs or substances. Manufactured means all coca derivative, medicinal cannabis, opium derivative, and poppy straw concentrate. Any other narcotic substance or preparation which the central government may having regard to the available information as to its nature or to a decision, if any, under any international convention by notification in the official gazette, declared to be a manufactured drug. But does not include any narcotic substance or preparation which the central government may having regard to the available information as to its nature or to a decision, if any, under any international convention by notification in the official gazette, declared not to be a manufactured drug. Medicinal cannabis, that is medicinal hemp, means any extract or tincture of cannabis. Narcotic commissioner means means the narcotic commissioner appointed under section 5. Narcotic drug means coca leaf, cannabis, hemp, opium, poppy straw, and include all manufactured drug. Opium means the coagulated juice of the opium poppy, and any mixture with or without any neutral material of the coagulated juice of the opium poppy, but does not include any preparation containing not more than 0.2% of morphine. Opium derivative means the medicinal opium, that is opium, which has undergone the process necessary to adopt it for medicinal use in accordance with the requirement of Indian Pharmacopoeia or any other pharmacopoeia notified in this behalf by central government, whether in power from a granulated or otherwise or mixed with natural material. Prepared opium, that is any opium of opium obtained by any series of operation designed to transform opium into an extract suitable for smoking, and the dross or the residue remaining after opium is smoked. When three alkaloids, namely morphine, codeine, the vein, and their salt. Diacetylmorphine, that is the alkaloid known as diamorphine or heroin, and its salt, and all preparation containing more than 0.2% of morphine or containing any diacetylmorphine. Opium poppy means the plant of species Papaver somniferum and the plant of the other species of Papaver from which opium or any enthline alkaloid can be extracted, and which the central government may by notification in the official gazette declare to be opium for the purpose of this act. Poppy straw means all part except the seed of the opium poppy are after harvesting, whether in their original form or cut, crushed or powdered, and whether or not juice has been extracted therefrom. Poppy straw concentrate means the material arising when poppy straw has entered into a process for the concentration of its alkaloid. Preparation means in relation to a narcotic drug or psychotropic substance means any one or more such drug or substance in dosage form or any solution or mixture in whatever physical state containing one or more such drug or substance prescribed means prescribed by rules made under this act. Production means separation of opium, poppy straw, coca leaves or cannabis from the plants from which they are obtained. Psychotropic substance means any substance, natural or synthetic, or any natural material or any salt or preparation of such substance or material included in the list of psychotropic substances specified in the schedule. Small quantity in relation to narcotic drug and psychotropic substances means any quantity lesser than the quantity specified by the central government by notification in the official gazette. To import interstate means to bring into a state or union territory in India from another state or union territory in India. To import into India with the grammatical variations and conjugate expansion means to bring into India from a place outside India and include the bringing into any port or airport or place in India of a narcotic drug and psychotropic substances intended to be taken out India without being removed from the vessel, aircraft, vehicle or any other convenience in which it is being carried. For the purpose of this clause and clause 26, India include the territorial waters of India. To export from India with the grammatical variation concrete. To export interstate means to take out of a state union territory in India to another state or union territory in India. To transport means to take from one place to another within the same state or union territory used in relation to narcotic drug and psychotropic substance means any kind of use except personal consumption. Words and expressions used herein and not defined but defined in the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, second of 1974 having the meaning respectively assigned to them in that code. Explanation for the purpose of clause 5th, 6th, 15th and 16th. The percentage in the case of liquid preparation shall be calculated on the basis that the preparation containing 1% of a substance mean a preparation in which 1 gram of substance is solid or 1 millimeter of substance if liquid is contained in very 100 milliliter of the preparation and so on in for proportion for any greater or less percentage provided that the central government may having regard to the developments in the field of method of calculating percentage in liquid